1.2 1.
A cappuccino, please.
What's your name?
Helen.
Ellen?
No, Helen.
Helen. OK. 1 cappuccino!
2.
Are you Diana?
No, I'm not. I'm Helen.
Sorry. Helen, your cappuccino.
Thanks.
3.
Hello, are you Helen?
Yes, I am. And you're Tom.
Yes, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Just a minute.
4.
Hi, a tea please.
OK. What's your name?
Tom.
Dom. A tea. 1 tea!
No, I'm Tom, not Dom.